Dear learners, we shall now discuss temperature enthalpy diagram, that is TH diagram. The TH diagram shown below represents the formation of steam at constant pressure. Let's have a look at the diagram. X-axis represents enthalpy, y-axis represents temperature in degree Celsius. Consider 1 kg of water at 0 degree centigrade represented by A on the diagram. As the heat is supplied to the water, its temperature rises. On heating this water, the temperature rises until it reaches boiling state. Therefore, the amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of water from 0 degree centigrade to saturated water is known as sensible heat, and this is represented by line AB on the diagram. On continuation of heat supply from point B at saturation temperature, it continues at constant temperature. Thus, wet steam gradually gets converted into dry steam and reaches the point C. Look at here, point B is totally in saturated state, and in between it has wet state, that is mixture, and when it reaches the point C, it becomes totally dry, and this is represented between the line B and C called as latent heat. Let us see the definition of latent heat. The amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of saturated water to dry steam is known as latent heat. Further addition of heat to dry saturated steam at point C, the temperature further increases and reaches the point D, and the state of steam at point D is known as superheated state, and the amount of heat supplied between C and D is known as amount of superheat. Let us see what is the definition of amount of superheat. It is the amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of dry steam to superheated steam is known as amount of superheat.